Alright, these are my winter sowing so far. I have 73 done. Bonus set, hostas, obedient plant, Virginia spiderwort, passion flower, peonies, prairie onion, milkweed, butterfly weed, lyre leaf sage, drumstick, primrose, lilac globe, blazing stars, scaly version, yarrow, summer berries, alkali sakaton. It's a tall grass that we're going to be growing. Blanket flower, Sahara rudbeckia, prairie blazing star, Luna hibiscus, heartleaf golden Alexanders, hyacinth bean, the vine variety, wild bleeding heart, mora barlow, columbine, ice plant, rose prairie splendor, echinacea, rosemint agastaki, hyssop, coral bells, lanceleaf coreopsis, dwarf joe pye weed, seaside goldenrod, baby joe pye weed, spotted joe pye weed, rose grannies, bonnet columbine, lemon mint bergamot, sundial lupin, Culver's root, love in a mist, otherwise known as nigella, orange coneflower echinacea, foxglove beard tongue, some unknown milkweed that I got from the Ace parking lot, swamp milkweed, lavender, and hibiscus. And that's 73. I have 140 at the moment slated. That's how far I've gotten. So I'm halfway done with the cold hardy stuff.